How to import a Trust wallet to your MetaMask wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode, and then you're gonna need to click on the settings on the top left of your screen. And once you click there, you need to simply click on the wallets again, and then you need to click on this backup manually, or you can click on the three dots and you just need to go for the option of recovery phrase. Other than that, you just need to check mark all of these three options and make sure to write it down on any paper or something like that. Then you just need to make sure to copy all of them, which is going to be your manual backup. Make sure to copy all of them, and then you just need to click on this continue on the bottom of your screen. Then you just need to verify the secret phrase. Once you do so, click on confirm on the bottom of your screen, and then next step is you just need to open up your MetaMask, and then you need to simply sign in. But before that, make sure to log out and then click on get started, and then click on import using secret recovery phrase. Then you just need to click on I agree, and then you just need to accept the terms and condition just like so, and then you need to enter the particular secret recovery phrase. So you just need to paste all of them. Then you need to enter your passcode and your confirmed password. Once you are done, click on the import option on the bottom of your screen. Now once you are in, the next step is you just need to make sure to click on your Ethereum address and make sure that it is matching with the address on your Trust wallet. So that's a way of how you can import a Trust wallet to your MetaMask wallet.